guys, it's Netji here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this cute drugstore look. I'm actually really happy with it because it's actually all drugstore. That is like super impressive for me because I am a Sephora stan. Like, I love to shop at Sephora. It makes it easier for me. I can usually find what I'm looking for. I can find my shades. So I just beeline it every time without questions. I'm at Sephora. This time I'm trying to save money right now. It's that time of year where like I want to go on vacation, I'm doing all these different things, so I need my pockets to be protected. So I ran to the drugstore to see what I could put together, and I'm actually super obsessed with this look. I think the eyes are super easy and super simple, but also super cute. I love the lip combo, I love the blush. These are all things I think I'm really gonna be using in my day-to-day makeup, so I'm really excited about that. Bit of trials and tribulations, especially with like the setting powder and things like that, because I think that that's what's making me look a little bit ashy, but overall, in the places where I didn't put that much of it, I feel like I look good. Like, good. Oh, I also forgot to talk about why I'm refilming this. So I did film this video before. I didn't really like the quality of it. Plus, I think I added way too much setting powder, so I looked very white on camera. So I refilmed it. So you'll see that sometimes I'll incorporate clips from the old video just because it was more of a first impressions, and I wanted to also give you that tip as to what to do or what not to do with this drugstore product. I feel like that would be more informative than you just seeing me use it poorly and not seeing what it actually can do, which is what we have right here. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Before we get into the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, also the bell button next to it so you get notifications as to whenever I drop new videos. And let's get into this video. Again, starting with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. Do you see my forehead before? I'm gonna go back and put that clip. Wow, this is woo. Absorb into my pores, change my molecular structure. No more oily skin, please. So there is a bit of like crustation going on around my nose. I'm sure you can see that. So you'll see in the original video, I really like this, but I think I was a bit heavy with it. So we're gonna try to be not as heavy and just concentrate it in the areas where I really know I'm gonna need it, like my forehead and my chin. Oh, and on my nose. And we're gonna stop there. I think I added like way too many layers last time. We're not gonna go that far. Then moving into the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is in the color Deep Sable, and this is a deep foundation with neutral undertones. I'll just be putting that on a Real Technique sponge. Yeah, see, there's less crust and stuff this time. See, this shade looks so good. I really think I messed it up last time by adding too much primer and powder, but we'll get to that. I do want to take some time to talk about the fact that this is the darkest shade at my local drugstore, and this is not even close to where this line of products end. I was at Rexall, I was at Shoppers Drug Mart, and both of them, this is where it stopped. I think that's pretty disheartening because if a brand provides the shade range, I don't understand why these drugstores are not even saying, let's provide maybe 1 or 2 after this shade. Because yes, I'm a chocolate girl and I'm dark skinned, but I am definitely not rich skinned. I'm definitely not deep skinned. It's a bit difficult to see this as the darkest shade at the drugstore. Let's even think about the fact that right now it's winter time. So I am fairer now because I'm not getting constant sun here in Canada. And the fact that this is the deepest shade, that means in summertime, they're losing a customer. They're losing tons of customers because I have to go to now NYX directly, order this directly from NYX when my local drugstore is just around the corner. Just wanted to provide my 2 cents on that because it's a great product and I've been hearing people rave about it. It sucks that you have to make a trip to your local mall rather than the store that's just right behind your house. You know, you feel me? Then we're going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is in the color, I was gonna say the color corrector. This is in the color Golden Honey. Look how bright my under eye look. Good. I have to stop doing my makeup like I make the ugliest makeup faces. It's like subtle but bright. Here I am. I'm awake. I'm just gonna contour using the NYX, I forgot what this is called. The NYX concealer in Deep Espresso. This is their full coverage concealer in the pot. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my concealer and highlight the rest of my face. Should probably hide the Sephora mirror that I'm using during a drugstore tutorial. whatever, no big deal. It's just easier, man. I also want to take some of the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. This is in the color Go With The Glow. Put some of that here and in with my concealer on my nose. Then I can go back in with the flat side of my sponge and just blend the two together seamlessly. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why I redid the tutorial. I just think I was rushing, and I'm at this point in my YouTube career where I just, like, I can tell when I don't like something, and I was just watching that like, ugh, I don't like it. Wow, my edges look phenomenal. Can we get an amen? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this application is like bomb.com. I look so good. I look snatched. I look snatched like a big ol' snack. Carved, glowing, glistening. Oh look. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade Medium Deep, I believe. Yep, Medium Deep. And I'm going to give it a bit of a shake, and we're gonna use that just to set our face today. I also think I put way too much of this. And I'm being very sparing now because I will include pics of what I looked like, and it was not it. Like, it was not it at all. So, dusting off the powder, and I'm blowing it because, child, Chile, I was not trying to look like that again. See, like I still have a bit of glow under there, which is what I want. I want it to be like a inner glow. It's internal, from within. This is me, naturally. Like, this is just what my skin does. Like, don't question it, don't ask. This is just what I got, this natural glow going on. Come on, sis. I look set and not white, okay? Ghostly, because that's what was going on. Straight up to your face. First, we're gonna start with the NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel. And today I'm not rushing this makeup, but like, it's flying by. Like, why am I almost done? What the heck? And then we're gonna take the NYX Eyebrow Gel. This is in the color Espresso. And I usually just put a little bit on the back of my hand. So I always start my brows with a very straight line at the bottom. Then I drag up the product into my brows. Then I close off the top of the brow. And I start making hair-like strokes again from the bottom. I try to use like all the product that's already on my face before I dip in. So I still haven't dipped in. And now we just closed off the top, and we're just making hair-like strokes downward into the brow. And then I just use the tip to like make more lines. My brows always start off as super dramatic, and then once I clean them up, we're in business. So let's go do the other one off camera and come back. My brows are done and looking crazy. I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna take the concealer wand and a concealer brush. We want to stay here for eyes. You can stay here for eyes. For eyes, we're gonna start with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. We're just gonna prime the base of our lids. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna prime the eyelids and then just take the same concealer brush as before and just blend it out. For our eyes, we're gonna be using the NYX Ultimate Edit Warm Neutrals Shadow Palette. So this is supposed to be like a mini version, a petite palette. She's chic, she's cute, she's petite. Well, I shouldn't say that because some things that are thick are super chic and cute. So, you know, like me. I kind of just want it to be like a one color shadow, just kind of really vibrant. So I'm gonna start with this color right here. And I really wanna pack it on to my lid. I feel like this is not the brush to do it. It's doing it, but it's not really doing it. I'm just gonna start bringing a little bit down here. Just on a different brush, but that same color. Just gonna blend it out. It's not too one-dimensional. I'm gonna take this brown in the crease. Lightly, lightly. Back in with our original color and the blending brush. That looks beautiful. And then I'm just gonna take that dark brown again on a different brush and just bring it down to the bottom lash line as well. I'm gonna take this NYX retractable eyeliner. This is in the color white, I believe. Yep, white, duh. And I'm just gonna do my waterline and just my waterline. I hate my waterline. And it's ever so lightly. I just want my eyes to be a bit bigger. And then I'm gonna take another NYX retractable eyeliner. This one's in the color, I believe, just black. It's just black. And I'm gonna push this more into the lash line than the waterline. And I'm just gonna take the brush I was using for the brown down here again and just blend it out. Now I'm gonna be using the NYC liquid eyeliner. Wow, that's a shot, whoa. And I believe this is in extreme black. We're just gonna go the same way our eye look is going. I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and come right back. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take this shade for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. For mascara, we're gonna be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer and Mascara. The mascara is in, I forgot what shade, black. Like, why are all these shades supposed to be shocking to me? Like, I should just tell y'all black. Like, they're all called black or white. I'm expecting something like super fun and entertaining, and these people are just like, the marketing teams are like, nope, just call it black, it's black. So now I'm gonna put lashes on off camera because we know how that goes when I'm on camera. And I'm gonna be using the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 810. Moving into highlights today, I wanna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the color Awesome Blossom. And it looked freaking stunning. Like going in a circle. I hate that drugstore stuff doesn't have a mirror. Like, I understand it's expensive, but I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, I just like cake that on. Oh, it's really good though, on this brush especially. I'm gonna take another brush and kind of like diffuse what I just did. The damage, the damage. Just stop highlighting my forehead because like literally all the time I am missing it and I'm highlighting my little breakout in the center of my forehead. It's so annoying. For blush, we're taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and this is in something wine. Mellow wine. She's super cute and perfect for spring. And she's pigmented, guys. She's pigmented. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna set my face with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. Doesn't you think you have enough setting spray? Add more. For lips, we're gonna line our lips with the NYX. I feel like this name is very long. The NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely Turn On Waterproof Extreme Lip Color Lip Liner. This liner is so good, the name had to be this long. Really? This is in the color Urban Cafe. Oh, that's a nice little chocolate. And it definitely is Glide On, dang. This is a very pretty brown. Wow, I actually wasn't expecting it to be this nice. This is what it looks like. And obviously you want it to look like this, but you never know, unless this is how it feels. So, wow. I got 4 different lip thingies from Maybelline. 2 of their Stay Matte liquid lip colors and 2 of their Oh My glosses. The first color is Scandalous. The second color is Mocha Per Glossy Cat. My Eternity. So this is what they look like. I kind of feel like mixing all of them together, but we're not gonna do that. Okay, so let's start with Scandalous, just so we can see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of Mocha in the center. That's really pretty though. Like I actually don't need Mocha, I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. Wow, that's really pretty. Do I even wanna touch it? Oh my gosh, it's even prettier. Wow. Maybelline. This is not even Maybelline, these are Rimmel. Fudge. Saying the whole name, the wrong name all along. So these are all from Rimmel London. Oh my gosh, why did I think these were Maybelline? So yes, these are Rimmel London Stay Matte liquid lip color. So these are these 2 together, and then I bought 2 glosses. And this matte looks so good, but I think it's just too matte. We're gonna put Per Glossy Cat on top. Take the other one just to see. And this is the final look. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm so glad I redid this. So pretty. So just off camera, I noticed my inner corner wasn't as poppin' as I want it to be, so I just took a bit more of the highlighter and just put it in the center. But aside from that, like this is the finished look. Oh my gosh. I went a little crazy with the contour here. It's fine, it's fine. But this side is the cute side for sure, and everything looks so cute. This lip combo though. Thanks so much for watching that video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in trying any of these products. If you love this lip combo as much as I do, I'm actually living for it. Like, I'm never gonna stop talking about it. I'm gonna wear it every damn day of the week because this is cute as hell. If this is still going up by the time that my Sephora Squad application is still up, please use the link below and leave a testimonial if you found any of my videos helpful, or if you just love me. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching that video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.